Hello there, my name is Aravind Venugopalan Nair Jalajakumari, a pretty long name. I'm an electronics engineer. I work for a spin-out company, Singular Photonics, as a co-founder and CTO. But before that, I was at the university working as an academic, designing electronics for various things. So in my current role, I'm working for a spin-out company which I co-founded. So it's like raising a baby. So there are like a number of things that you need to do for the company. I'm the CTO, so I'm trying to manage technical things, organizing resources, getting products ready, designing things, talking to customers, talking to suppliers. So there are like lots of activities happening every day. It's not like not like you sit in front of a computer and design circuits anymore. It's more about designing circuits, getting them to people, talking to suppliers, talking to other stakeholders, and also engaging with my commercial team as well. This is exactly what I expected. I wanted to take this journey. I was a full-time engineer, but I wanted to become an entrepreneur at some point. So engineer plus entrepreneur, that's what I am at the moment, and the journey is not different from what I've expected. So the advice I would give to somebody who wants to get into engineering is just go for it. You probably need to master a few skills. The most important one I have learned so far is mathematics, be it any form of engineering, electrical, computer, mechanical. I learned that mathematics is the key thing, but you also need to be a thinker and be creative. And these days, I think moving forward, you need to learn how to use your AI tools, how to talk to ChatGPT, how to ask the right questions, and also Google is your best friend. So lots of information around. It's basically how you gather these informations and make it useful. That's probably the most important skill, I would believe. And I like engineering because it's something that propels humanity forward. The most exciting part of my job is my job itself, because it brings in a number of things which I like, especially seeing my products working, seeing the things that I design work exactly as it is what gives me the pleasure. Other than technical skills, I have also learned mostly communication skills, which is very critical for engineering, because you need to communicate your ideas and your numbers or your projects to your customers or stakeholders. So communication is very important. So that's something I've picked up and polished, and getting polished further in my career. Business skills and commercial skills, I'm trying to learn a bit of that from my CEO, because it's quite important to know these things when you're a CTO of the company. So trying to learn as much as possible. So that's basically what I've picked up other than engineering skills. I always had this entrepreneurial thoughts in my mind since I started my first job back in 2006. So that's like 17-18 years ago. Since that point, even though I continued improving or learning more and more of electronics to build that integrated circuit, at some point I decided to jump the ship and become an entrepreneur, because that entrepreneurial thoughts became stronger and stronger in my mind, and I also had enough support or got enough support from my peers and mentors here in Edinburgh to make that move, and I decided to make that jump.